Hi, this is a short video to help you get the data from our CPAP and BiPAP machine. So generally, when you take the SD card from our CPAP or BiPAP and you plug it into the system, there will be many files showing on the particular drive. All we need is one single file. This file only we require. It is called .sud. So this file will be generally, say for example, it will be around 5 MB to 10 MB size, and it will have the entire information. Say for example, even if the user is using for more than a year, all the data will be stored in this particular database file. Okay, so what you have to do is first copy and paste that file inside a new folder. You just put it in your desktop, open our analysis software. Okay, and once it comes, it's very simple. Just click on file, click open, and now point to that particular database file. Okay, yeah. So once you do that, it will start to load. Okay, so once it finishes, it is asking patient information is not registered, do you want to register now? Say for example, our interested team, no need to click yes, because if you click yes and you give the patient information, same patient information will be getting printed on all your reports. You understand? So this only your users should actually register, because they will be using for a single patient. So each time they take the report, their name will get printed. So for an interested team, kindly click no. Okay, now already you can see the data. Say for example, this particular SUD file, they are having data from 9th September, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And in August there is just a trial run. Maybe we would have just switched on, so ignore that one. So this machine was sold on 9th morning. So 9th night to yesterday night, all the data is here. Okay. So now what we have to do? We want the report from this device. So if you want to have the report, see, first is home, statistical data, summary graph, detailed graph, and finally there is report. And this software is like one of the best softwares available in the CPAP and BiPAP machines. You will not find this in BMC or even Philips or ResMed. Many doctors have appreciated this because the software is like very new, very innovative, and all data regarding the therapy can be found in this software. Say for example, now we want to take the report. Kindly head on to the report. Now there are three options available. It is showing you statistical data. Okay, so there will be three options here: statistical data, statistical and summary, statistical and detailed. So the one which you are seeing on the screen, this is the statistical data, and generally for all our clients will prefer the second option, statistical and summary, so that some graphs also will get printed. Okay, so we are choosing this option, and finally it's asking period 1 month. If you want to take for 1 month, you can just click on 1 month and you can click on generate report, and automatically 1 month data will get stored. But in 1 month these guys have used only for 8 days, so it's showing 8 days. Or if you want more clear report, what we can do is that just go to custom, and from the time they purchase, say for example this patient has purchased on 9th of September, so click on 9th of September and let the end date be yesterday night, and then click on generate report again. Okay, now everything is perfect. Total number of days 8 days, used 8 days, so all the data we are getting. And once we scroll down here, you can see the entire graphs. Okay, so this is what is required by the doctors. They will show you on each day how many hours of usage they have used and what is their AHI on each day. So this patient actually clocked more than 50 AHI. Now after using our CPAP machine, it has come to 5.4, 5.6, 7.4, 10, 7. So the average, everything is there. Next, pressure. What are the pressures going daily? Finally, the leakage. So the leaks are also okay. It can be up to 50. So this patient is clocking somewhere between 30, 35 and these ranges. So this is the report that we require, and here the average AHI will be shown. AHI average is 7, snoring is 2.1, and a minute volume, leakage, everything is there. Okay. Now in order to print this PDF, go here, export document as PDF. Now just save it into the folder, and if they want, they can just take the printout and visit the doctor. There is one more option if you see statistical and detailed data. This will be preferred by some senior doctors, and whenever you choose this option, only one day's data can be taken at one instant. So when I click on statistical data, automatically the period changed to 1 day, and yesterday's night I am generating the report. Okay, now see what happens. This will take time because a detailed report will come. So this will show data for only 1 day, followed by almost 12 pages. So what is this detailed report? Nothing but the entire yesterday's sleep is split into 12 pages, and it shows at what instant when they are having apnea, when they are having flow limitations. So this will be preferred by senior doctors, and this is not available with any other CPAP or BiPAP machine. So the post analysis software is very strong in our entrusted CPAP and BiPAP. So this is for your reference, and you can also share it with your clients when they want to take the data. You can just share them the software drive file. They can install and use the same method to generate the reports. Okay, thank you.